Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets file. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that calculate the percentage. Now first, please select from the percentage. Now for click, then keyboard press from the equal. Then select from the first cell, then select from the select. Now keyboard press from the enter, then click for the percentage option. Now mark the wall percentage. That's it. Then you show calculate percentage in the Google Sheets file is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.